Oh, Joe, this looks lovely.
Just the twos of you, huh?
Yes, just us.
Well, follow me then. Let's go. Pick up the pace. We ain't gots all day. Hey, how's you doing? Here's what we got. Okay, sure. Yeah. Yep. You got it. Filthy, thirsty humans. Settle down, will you? Yous ain't the only table in here, you know? Only 2 more hours and I'm out of here. How's everything? Good, yeah? Yeah, we got the best foods out there. Well, now you gotta pony up, guys. She made you pay again, eh? What the? Was it something I said? Lousy humans.